Aloha mai kākou, ho tutu man ke ia, kawai kapu o kalani, ke aloha nui, ke aloha nui, ke aloha nui o kou. I would just like to send my aloha nui to the family of Mr. Willy K. I first met Willy K. In California, where I went to judge a hula competition. It was called Ya'oi Ekala, and it was there that we talked story. And he was a fabulous singer, fabulous entertainer. And at that time, he had decided to make his home in California. And I said to him, I think you got to go back home to Hawaii. He said, really? I said, yeah, you got to go back home to Hawaii. I said, you go back home to Hawaii and you sing like that and you play like that, you're going to be famous. That's a story that happened a long time ago. I think it was either the second or third Ya'oi Ekala. And I remember that. So to Willy K and to his family, I would just like to sing a himeni and offer my ke aloha nui o kou. Nani e ke ali'i. E Yesu, I ku'u ho'ola, kamaha'o, ko'u aloha, nui he aloha, noa. E Yesu, ke ki hiva, he hiva oe, no kako e mililani, no ka mana kahikolu, e mililani, no ka mana kahikolu. Nani e ke ali'i. E Yesu, I ku'u ho'ola, kamaha'o, ko'u aloha, nui. He aloha, noa ya'oi. E Yesu, e ke ki hiva, he hiva oe, no kako e mililani, no ka mana kahikolu.